Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, let's understand about Runnable vs Callable in multithreading. This is the most important interview question. Runnable vs Callable in multithreading. Multithreading. This is the most important interview question. So, for difference, let's say at the table. Decrease the size to 18, right? Assume this is a feature. This is the runnable. This is the callable. So runnable versus callable in multithreading. I will write a few pieces of code. After that, I will add the differences. Once the runnable code is done, I will add here runnable difference. After that, callable, I will add callable. So let's start class my runnable implements runnable. So implements runnable. The override implementation method. So this is the run method. Let's add few points now. See, runnable is the interface. So suppose assume this is the type. So it is interface. So after that, see method, run method will be there. So method, run method will be there, no parameters. And return type, check here, return type is void. So return type is void. That means this run method will not return anything. So like if you don't want a response, then we can go for the run method. It will not returning any response back. It's just executing the run method. That's it. Whatever logic is there inside this run method, it will executing. That's it. It will not return anything. So suppose running task in runnable. So like our class implements runnable. After that, we are already the run method. So let's create the main method class, public class. Suppose this is a test class. So main method. So create a thread equal to new thread. Observe in thread. This is the runnable target. So our class implements runnable, right? Let's pass this to here. New runnable. So we are passing runnable to run method. Run. We are passing runnable to thread, right? So let's start the thread. Dot start. So control S, right click, run as Java application. So see, we are getting the output. So this is the one. So I am commenting this is a runnable. So let's copy this one. Let's copy only up to this. Let's understand the callable. So callable. Suppose this is a return type. Assume this is a string type. So implement the implementation method. So for check what is the callable. Callable is the interface. So let's add a point. It is interface, right? It is interface. Next one method. What method will be there? Call method will be there. So call method will be there. After that, what is the return type? Return type string. So return type is string, right? So that means callable it will return the something. Here in this case, it will return the some string. So return type it will be string. In our case, string. So suppose otherwise it will return some object. Instead of like if we are adding here integer, then it will be integer return type. So that's why I'm adding like it will return some object. So either in string, employee, etc. So here add some piece of code. Now we add here some piece of code. So like result from callable. This is some piece of code, some line, some text time added. So after that, let's create the test class. So this is the test class, right? Remove this code. So Let's see in thread, otherwise control Z. Is there any chance to pass callable here? Let's check. Is there any callable is there? So we have the our class implements callable, but there is no option to call callable here. So what we need to do to call callable while using callable, we need to call by using executor framework. So let's check in executor service equal to executors executor dot single thread, right? I'm using new single thread executor. So single thread, that's why I'm using this one. So next, this is the executor service. So after that, dot here, these are the methods. Is there any method supports callable? It supports callable. See, we have set down. There is no the submit method will be there. It will supporting callable and runnable. So by using submit method, see execute method will be there. It's supporting only runnable, but it will not returning anything. Coming to submit, it will return in callable and runnable. So select the submit callable. So here, so let's this is the change this name to callable. So this is the callable class here. This is the constructor of this class. So this is the done. After that, so this is the done, right? What it will returning? It will return the future of the return type is string, right? So suppose future it is returning. Control Shift O for imports. See concurrency Java dot util dot concurrency, right? This is the future it is returning. After that, future dot. See what are the methods are there? See if get will be there. What will you say? Waits for necessary. Waits if necessary for the completion to computation to complete, and then retrieves its result. So that means it will wait, get method, it will wait until completing the task. So it will block until completing the task. So blocks until the result is available. This method will do blocks until result is availability throwing. So try with catch block added. So this method is returning the string. Suppose string result. If you want to print the result, SYSO, the standard out.println result. Control S, right click, run as Java application. So run as Java application. Public class test. It is not giving support. Let's see what happening. Select all Control Shift F4. So main method will be there. Public class test. So this class is not recognizing. Let's do some change here. So instead of change, suppose test callable. But it is not recognizing. Do one thing, clean this code. Otherwise, let's try it again. Public class suppose test. Control 1, Control S. Meanwhile, let's remove this one. Control S. Let's see. So do one thing. Let's change to 1. Control S. So update class name, rename. So run option is not giving. Let's change. Yes, this is class is reflected. Let's check now it is giving or not. So still also not giving. Okay. Control V. See here, this is up to here closed. This one extra. This is there. I think now it will work. This is not closed. Right. Run as Java application. So result from callable. say result from calling, but it is not shut down. It is still running. To stop that executor service, right? You can use this is here. Get method blocks until the result is available. Finally block. Finally. So yes, finally block. Inside finally this executor service dot shutdown. So let's check shutdown method will be there. So once execution is done, I'm saying shutdown. So let's run a Java application. Result from callable. So again run a Java application. Let's see it is shutdowning or not. The result from callable, it is shutdown, right? So let's add the differences here now. So runnable, both two are the interfaces and return type. It is a, it will not runnable, no return value. It is a void type, no return value. You can add no return value. It will return nothing. After that, see, it will return some object, some value. It will return the some value. So after that, exception handling. Exception handling. So coming to exception handling, let's check in runnable. In runnable, there is no throws exception here. Yeah, throws exception. That means let's add another point. Cannot throw checked exception. Cannot throw checked exception. Cannot throw checked exception. So it will not throw any checked exception. Here can throw checked exceptions. Can throw checked exceptions. After that, package. Let's check package. See, callable is there in java.util concurrent. Runnable is not showing, that means java.long. See, java.long packages. So package runnable is from java dot, this is default package java.lang. So it is the java.util concurrent. This package is java.util concurrent. So coming to execution. Here execution can be executed by thread. See, let's see code. So post where developed the runnable. See, this is the class. Our class implements runnable. We are voted and run method. So this my runnable we are passing into thread, right? We are passing into thread after calling thread dot start. So by using thread we can call the runnable, but in case callable in thread there is no option to pass callable. In thread constructor there is no option to pass. To run the callable call method we need a executor service. Executor service equal to executors dot, this is the thread pole. This is the multiple thread poles are there, like single thread pole, catcher thread pole, schedule thread pole, fixer thread pole, fork join thread pole, steal work stealing pole, like that. This is the one thread pole. After that, by using this reference variable, we are calling the submit method. Submit method I have, like this is the expecting callable one it will be there. Another one overloading method callable it is expecting, another one runnable. So we have the callable. This will return the future. By using this future, like we are calling get will return the, so whatever we are passing same it will return. So but the get will be like a blocking. It will wait until the result is appear. So once this execution done, we need to shut down. Executor service dot shut down. So here coming to this execution must be executed by executor service. Executor service must be executed by executor service. So coming to method signature, see this is run method void. So void method signature. So coming to method signature, void run method. Here it will return something, right? Agent, this is something like a T. So agent, this is like a T, some object, some type. So it will return something or some T. It is a call method. It will throws exception. So these are the differences between callable versus, these are the difference between runnable versus callable in multithreading. See, features type, it is a interface. Runnable is the interface. Callable is the interface. Runnable have run method. Callable have call method. return type runnable, run method have void method. So no return value, it will return nothing. When we go for runnable, if you don't want any result return, then we can go for runnable. If you want some object as a result, then we can go for the callable. So exception handling cannot throw checked exceptions. This runnable cannot throw checked exceptions. Callable can throw checked exceptions. Package runnable available in java.lang, callable available in java.util.concurrent. Execution can be executed by a thread. This runnable we can able to execute by using thread, but callable must be executed by executor service. Method signature void run method. Tcall throws exception here. So shut down here. We are shut down, right? So shut down. So not required. Not required. So must must shut down. Must shut down. So by calling executor service dot shut down shut down method. So these are the most important points about runnable via scalable in multi-threading. I will repeat this code as well again. So see, I'm created one class implements runnable. So runnable is the interface. It have one run method. I'm overriding run method. Some logic I'm added. Agent in this case, this is a system out at print is some logic. After that, to test this logic, I'm created one test class main method added. So inside main method, thread I'm created in thread constructor. I'm passing the runnable. It is giving one option to pass runnable. So I'm passing. Then I'm calling thread.start. So this start method it will call this run method. So it will by using this it will goes to this class. By using runnable, it will goes to this class. It will call the run method. It will return this response running task in runnable. So here callable class callable implements callable. So it is expecting the generic type. I'm passing the string. So it will we are overriding the call method. Call method it will return the some object type t. Here in this case string. Above run method it will return anything, but callable it will return something. So I am passing some text here, some string I am passing. So it will return the call method, it will return the string to execute the callable call method require executor service. So for that executor service equal to this executors dot new single thread pool. Multiple thread pools are there. See single like only single thread, right? This single call method. So I am using single one, multiple are there. See new catcher thread pool. After that fixer thread pool, single thread pool, work stealing pool, schedule thread pool like that. So now I am using single thread pool. If you are using fixed thread pool like that, you need to pass the some number, how many threads are allowed. Suppose new fixed thread pool, this is see int threads. You need to pass suppose one like that. You need to pass. After that, executor service dot submit method. It is overloading methods are there. It will one method is expecting callable, another method is expecting runnable. So I am choosing callable. I am passing my class above class, my callable. This is the my callable. This constructor I am passing new. This is the class name brackets, nothing but constructor I passed. So it will calling the run method. So this submit method return the future to get a result. Future dot get I'm calling. It will return the string. But here problem is it blocks until result is available. Until completing this task, it will be blocked. So I'm printing the result. So it will automatically it will not shut down. Manually we need to shut down. I added finally block. Finally block should be executed always, right? So executed service dot shut down. Now I am shut down. So let's run again. Run your Java application. So save. See we got the result from Callable. See it is printing here this result. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.